जय जोहार संगवारियों। आज हमारा आखिरी दिन अज़रबैजान में और ये दूसरा हॉस्टल है। पहले वाले हॉस्टल में मुझे बहुत सफोकेशन हो रहा था। वी चेक्ड इनटू डिफरेंट हॉस्टल। व्हेन यू गो आउट ऑफ हियर एंड यू सी द निज़ामी स्ट्रीट, सो आई लाइक दिस वन मोर। टेल यू more about the both the hostels in another separate blog. So today we are going to do the city tour. Night we have a flight, so we'll try to wrap it up by 6 or 7 and then we can leave to airport. This is the beautiful kitchen. I must say this is very neat and tidy than the last hostel I was staying. So this was the hostel I was staying. The only difference between the last one and this one is this does not have a lift, but this is the better one. I mean, it was quiet and very clean, which I always want. Everyone is pretty helpful here. I mean, I prefer this one on that, but it's a personal choice. You might like that one because of a lot of Indian crowds there. And here I wanted more calm and cleanliness. That's it. So if you're a backpacking and you do not have a suitcase, a big suitcase and all, this is the place you should go for. This is how it looks.
तो सबसे पहले मैं बता दूं आप लोगों को, हम लोग रुके थे साहिल हॉस्टल एंड होटल्स और सेकंड हमारा हॉस्टल था ट्रैवल इन हॉस्टल, जहाँ पे जो एरिया है ये डाउनटाउन, मेन डाउनटाउन मतलब डाउनटाउन एरिया है। यहाँ से आपको सब कुछ मिल जाएगा पास में। तो कोशिश करना ओल्ड बाकू के पास या फिर डाउनटाउन में या फिर ये दोनों में से कोई एक हॉस्टल ही बुक करे अगर हॉस्टल में रुकना पसंद करते हो तो। बाकी होटल्स बहुत महंगे भाई यहाँ पे, इस एरिया में स्पेशली, क्योंकि ये डाउनटाउन पड़ता है और सब कुछ यहाँ से एक्सेसिबल है।
यहाँ पे सब महंगा है और सब कुछ है, तो आप चूज़ कर लो आपको क्या चाहिए।
बाकी यार बहुत ही सही एरिया था ये। और अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं पैसे निकालने के लिए, क्योंकि पैसा हम लोगों के पास कम ही बचा है, 50-55 मनाती बचा है।
और मुझे बहुत सारे परफ्यूम लेने हैं।
परफ्यूम लेने हैं, देखो भाई
यहाँ पे ओरिजिनल परफ्यूम मिलता है, वो बना के देते हैं आपको। तो दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ अज़रबैजान एंड वी बॉट सम यस्टरडे, बट मुझे और भी लेने हैं। ये कुछ है जो मैं किसी को गिफ्ट कर सकती हूँ, अपनी फैमिली के लिए ले सकती हूँ और वो ज़्यादा दिन तक यूज़ भी करेंगे।
ये स्ट्रीट हम लोग रोज़ देखते थे। ये जब शाम हो जाती है, रात हो जाती है भाई, ये पूरी रंगीन हो जाती है स्ट्रीट। और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे पार्टीज, रेस्टोरेंट्स, होटल्स सब मिल जाएंगे आपको। सुपरमार्केट भी मिल जाएंगे और खाने का सामान भी मिल जाएगा। तो हम लोग जो कैश निकालते थे भाई, ये कैपिटल बैंक से निकालते थे।
डोनट खाएंगे
बाद में, अभी खाना
जल्दी जल्दी खा लेते हैं ना।
ये हम लोगों का ब्रेकफास्ट है भाई, 70 कॉइन्स में मिलता है, अराउंड 35 रुपये के आसपास।
We have reached to one of the two UNESCO site in Baku. I'm assuming this is a fort. Maiden Tower also looks quite similar to this. We'll go to the board and then we will see what it is.
अबे दौड़ के बच्चा।
This is the old Baku and this is the entry gate. We're going through this now. ये यहाँ के tea kettles and all that. Super beautiful. Well, is it possible we don't find this? This is a junction. You will see the watch, and the left side you go, you will see the Maiden Tower, and the right side you go, you will see the palace. So we will go to Maiden Tower first.
Saçları rüzgar okşar tararımı. O elin ipeklerindeki iplik.
ये है भाई, इसमें और भी चाय है और कुछ साइज में लेमन और शुगर क्यूब्स डाले हम लोगों ने।
Güleşen bebekler gibi bir zamanlar güzel bir kız.
Too strong.
ये भाई अंदर का, और यहाँ से ऊपर जाने के लिए टिकट लगती है। चला जा। और ये हम लोग बाहर जा रहे हैं।
Chasing the museum behind me, these all things I have discovered around 2016 and after. Most part of Baku was underground before that, so this has been discovered later on. This is a Maiden Tower, and this is 8-story building. This is also recognized by UNESCO, and there is another site here which is Shirvanshah Palace. That's also a UNESCO site. But the catch is, each of them has 15 manat as an entry fee, which is too very expensive, and with a guide if you go it will cost you around 40 manat. So in order to see these places you are supposed to give minimum of 1500, which I don't think I'm gonna do it. Maybe I would do it for the palace or Maiden Tower. I will not be able to do both of them. So yes, I have a little glance of the tower which you can see here. Let's go to the palace and see what it is.
If you want, you can go visit our company because in our company embassy.
Bir kız yaşarmış. Saçları
यहाँ पे भाई कारपेट्स बहुत बिकते हैं। यहाँ पे ना स्पेशली कारपेट का म्यूज़ियम बना है। बाकी यहाँ पे हर कंट्रीज़ का फ्लैग है। अनार भाई यहाँ का नेशनल फूड है शायद से, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे अनार के पेड़ देखे हम लोगों ने, और बहुत सस्ते में मिलता है यहाँ पे। बाकी आप लोग ये कुछ एंटिक चीज़ें ख़रीद सकते हो यहाँ आके। देखो भाई ये टी पॉट, अभी अजान हो रही है। इंडिया का फ्लैग मिला इसको।
bir kız yaşarmış. Saçları rüzgar okşar tararımı. O elin ipeklerindeki iplikleri. Güleşen bebekler gibi bir zamanlar güzel bir kız.
This is the exit of Boulevard. Super beautiful, and that side you see Caspian Sea. We are going to the museum, Carpet Museum. That's there. That place. I don't know how much is the ticket there. The only thing I have in my mind is these people are putting so much of tickets.
Bir kız yaşarmış. Saçları rüzgar okşar tararımı. O elin ipeklerindeki iplikleri. Güleşen bebekler gibi bir zamanlar güzel bir kız.
carpet museum, and there is 10 minutes of ticket, which is still fine than 15 and 30 and all. There are process of wools, the raw wool, and then the yarn of it, then the coloring made of Maiden root, indigo dye, onion peel, and one more interesting thing I saw is pomegranate husk and grape wine, almond husk. So there are a lot of dyeing processes which happen with natural ingredients. These are all the plants or trees they have used to dye their wool to make a carpet. Carpets here are from 3rd to 4th century depicted. It's beautiful. Carpets have this 4-season carpet. It's very beautiful. It describes all the seasons. It also shows their culture as to how they meet, what would be their culture, and the family tree. So doing that on the carpet is of course a very difficult thing. Writing a poem in a carpet will be a difficult thing. However, having said that, I have also been to one of the village close to Ahmedabad, and that entire village is for the people who do weaving. They don't do carpet weaving, but they do weaving, and they have done similar kind of a thing. So nothing much unique.
Saçları rüzgar okşar tararmış. O elli İpeçlerindeki iplikleri yürermiş hep bebekler gibi. Bir zamanlar güzel bir kız yaşar. O bir kız yaşarmış. Saçları rüzgar okşar tararmış. O elli İpeçlerindeki iplikleri.
This place is not a complete tourist attraction. People live here on those tunnels. See here. So this, I was thinking that this might be only for a display what they have figured out while they were digging this place, but this looks like they have a lot of underground houses still existing. This is not a window. This is a fine art. Azerbaijan has a very good painting arts all around, and then the real door.
दिन कहाँ कटता है हमारा डोनर खाए बिना। आज है हमारा आखिरी दिन, और आखिरी दिन का रिचुअल है जितना पैसा बचा है सब खर्च करो। तो आज हम खाएंगे अपना सारा फेवरेट खाना। हम पहुंच गए निज़ामी स्ट्रीट में एक बहुत ही अच्छे इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाने। ये खाना टेस्टी था, पर इससे अच्छा पाकिस्तानी रेस्टोरेंट में था। अज़रबैजान की सबसे फेवरेट मिठाई बकलवा, एंड अलाउ से अच्छी जगह हमें तो नहीं मिली, पर यहाँ पे बहुत वैरायटी के बकलवा मिलते हैं।
ये रहा भाई चाय, और ये कुकी दिया है उन्होंने, और ये अज़रबैजान जैम है, और ये कुनाफा, और ये है चीज़।
This was soul satisfying. So after this kunafa, we are going to go hostel and back to airport.
I think I'm going into FOMO zone, but let's see how long. I'm gonna miss this place and as well as Kazakhstan a lot. इस 10 दिन के ट्रिप में हमने कज़ाकिस्तान और अज़रबैजान दोनों कवर किया था। तो अगर आपने अलमाटी की ट्रिप नहीं देखी है तो प्लीज़ सारे व्लॉग्स देख लें।
The subway trains are too crowded. And it's so fast.
मे स्टेशन के बाहर ही हमें एयरपोर्ट एक्सप्रेस बस मिल गई जो हमें डायरेक्ट एयरपोर्ट लेके जाएगी। यहाँ पर नज़ारे देखिए कितने सुंदर है।
Spend around $400 here and I still miss being here. Azerbaijan has very few outside counters. Everything you see will be ABB Bank. I've been using ABB Bank to exchange my money and Capital Bank to draw from my Forex card. They do give you a good price. However, I've also seen today close to May Station, 28 May Station, there is an exchange counter if you would like to exchange there. You might not get free water here, don't be surprised. I mean drinking water. यहीं बैठते हैं, यहाँ बोर्ड भी लगी है। सुजो नंबर 4 है गेट। Back to same place. When we have come here, we were waiting here for like 4 to 5 hours. I think again we'll have to do that, but it's pretty comfortable chairs and not much of a crowd, so maybe when we see the crowd it could be a problem.
ये तो अराइवल काउंटर है। वो यहाँ से तो अपन आए थे।
हमने ली थी इंडिगो की फ़्लाइट फ्रॉम बाकू टू दिल्ली और ये फ़्लाइट देखिए क्या रोलर कोस्टर राइड थी हमारी एंड इट वाज रियली अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस, बट इनिशियली थोड़े हिकअप्स हुए और हम लैंड करते हैं दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट पे।
So if you're a solo traveler and you are in hurry to charge your phone as well as you need to do certain other things like exchanging your money or go to the washroom, Delhi airport has this very good thing. So what you need to do is you just need to open your box and then you put your phone charging, set up your pin and submit it. Once you're back, you can again put the same pin and then take your things back. Nice, right?
यहाँ से हमारे घर जाने के लिए हमें लेनी थी ट्रेन एंड व्हाट बेटर देन टेकिंग अ दिल्ली मेट्रो टू रीच अवर रेलवे स्टेशन।
जगह भी नहीं।
If you wife, please subscribe my channel and like this video. It will be very helpful if you share this with your friend. जितने ज़्यादा लोग बढ़ेंगे उतना ज़्यादा मैं ट्रैवल कर सकती हूँ और आपको दुनिया दिखा सकती हूँ। ये देखिए मेरे छत्तीसगढ़ के नज़ारे, क्या हरियाली है। See you next Sunday.